How to ensure the output value and the quality of the ball in the production process. To ensure the output value and ball quality, the particle size of the powder is required to be in the range of 90 to 260 mesh, and the powder is not allowed to have high hardness impurities, otherwise it will damage the surface of the roll. The feed of the tourmaline powder ball press should be uniform and timely, and the adjustable screw feeder should be used. In the production process of the pellet press, it is necessary to observe the return amount of the pellet press in time and adjust the supply amount of new materials. Tourmaline powder ball press to ensure the quality of the ball, but must not overload operation. To maintain the maintenance of equipment, in addition to the overhaul management work, overload operation is also a key factor affecting the production of equipment and the quality of the ball.